You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, we've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. So there are quite a few different pronunciations. Let's hear the two main ones. British English pronunciation: fraudulent, fraudulent, fraudulent. Now the Americans say it with a more open R sound, as in fraudulent, fraudulent. Now sometimes the Jew is more of a J sound, like a J, fraudulent. All right, so depending on the local accent, and I don't think that's a UK US different, fraudulent or fraudulent. Some say a bit more with a D, some others with a J, but the first sound is fra or fra, fraudulent or fraudulent. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.